Got one in? Okay, everybody sit your lips, keep quiet. 90 degrees, sit straight please. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Put your hands on the table. Sit straight and put your hands on the table. Put your hands on the table, please. Okay, very good. Okay, so before we start, everybody, put your hands. Who's the leader? Class leader.
Put your hands together
And say, good morning. Good morning.
good morning.
Teacher John.
Teacher John.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Good morning, Teacher John.
Good morning, 1 plus 1. Okay, how are you today? How are you today? I'm fine. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? I'm great. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Very good. Clap your hands to Sasiwat. Okay, good job, Sasiwat. Girls at the back, please keep quiet. Stop talking. Okay, and listen to teacher. Okay, next. Before we start, we're going to learn about the vocabulary words. We will read the language vocabulary words. Videos. Okay, so number 1, apple. Say it again. Apple.
Apple.
Number 2, book.
Book.
Number 3, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, very good. So how do we spell the word apple? Letter A, P, P, L, E, apple. Very good. How about number 2? How do we spell book? B, book. Very good. How about ice cream? How do we spell ice? How about cream? Cream. Ice cream. Very good. Again, let's read the vocabulary word. Number 1.
Apple.
Very good. Number 2.
Book.
Number 3.
Ice cream.
Oh, very good. Who can read? Raise your hand. Okay, please stand up. Natcha, right? Natcha, number 1. Very good. Number 2. Book. And number 3. Clap your hands to Natcha. Wow, very good, Natcha. Who else? Okay, how about Nanali? Nanali, please stand up. What is number 1 vocabulary word? Again? Apple. Very good. Number 2, book. And number 3. Very good. Clap your hands to Nanali. Okay. Who else? Next, please stand up. What's your name again? Banut point, right? Okay, Banut point number 1. Apple. Number 2. Book. And number 3. Clap your hands to Banut point. Okay, how about boys? Okay, Sasiwat. Please stand up, Sasiwat. What? Okay, this is an apple. Very good. Next, book. Clap your hands to Sasiwat. Very good. How about Karim? Karim, please stand up. Karim, please read number 1. What is this, Karim? Apple. Karim is not listening. Next, number 2. Book. And number 3. Ice cream. Okay, clap your hands to Karim. Okay, who else? Pucha, how about stop? Please stand up. Stop, can you read number 1? Apple. Number 2. Book. Number 3. Clap your hands to stop. Wow, very good. Who else? Who can read? How about Anan? Anan, number 1. Apple. Number 2. Book. Ice cream. Clap your hands to Anan. Okay. Next, Lalin. Lalin, please stand up. Apple. Book. Ice cream. Very good. Clap your hands to Lalin. Wow, good job. Okay, now let's go to our lesson. Okay, so look at the TV. So this time we're going to talk about boys, girls, and teacher. Listen. So when we say listen, what is listen? Everybody put them. Listen. Point. And say. Okay, please repeat after teacher. Boys. Boys. Girls. Girls. Teacher. Teacher. Okay, so when we say boys, very good. So when we say boys, what is boys? What is boys? Tawala boys. Very good, boys. How about girls? What is girls? Very good. Next is teacher. So when we say teacher, what is teacher? Okay, very good. Again, let's read from number 1. Boys, when we say boys, there are 2 or more persons. Boys with S. Again, boys. Okay, very good. Next, girls. Teacher. Okay. If there are 2 more persons, we need to put letter S. Okay, like this one. How many boys are there? How many? How many persons are there? How many? 2. Very good. So boys. How about this one? How many persons are there? 2. How about here? Only 1. So my S, there's no S because it is only, the subject is only 1. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. So who can read number 1, number 2, and number 3? Who can read? How about Nene? Please stand up, Nene. Okay. Number 1. What is this? Boys. Number 2. Girls. And number 3? Teacher. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, so look at the picture. So look at the picture. This is a picture and these are the students. Okay, so if say students, what is students? Students or Nakriyan. Do you understand? Okay, so when the teacher say hello boys and girls, teacher, I am the teacher. Hello boys and girls, what is your answer? Hello boys and girls, what is your answer? Hello teacher. Again, hello teacher. Okay, so when I say hello boys and girls, very good. Again, hello boys and girls. No, you answered the hello teacher. Again, hello boys and girls. Okay, very good. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, again. Hello boys and girls. No, you answer hello teacher. Again, hello boys and girls. Hello teacher because I am the teacher. Do you understand? Okay, next. Next sentence. My name's Bill. Okay, very good. My name's Bill. And then the teacher will say, hello, Bill. Okay, do you understand? So like for example, stop. Please stand up. Come in front. Stop. Come here. Okay. Listen to stop. Like for example, when teacher get inside the classroom, teacher said, "Hello, boys and girls." What is your answer?
Hello, teacher.
Very good. And then when I stop, stop will say, "My name's Bill." What's your name? No, my name's Stop. Very good. Again, what's your name? My name's Stop. Hello, Stop. Okay, do you understand? Yes, very good. So how about you? Okay, you can go. Okay, how about you? What's your name? My name is Nene. Very good. How about you? What is your name? Captain. Captain. Hello, Captain. Okay, next. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Cow. Uta, my name is Cow. Repeat after teacher. Hello, Cow. Okay, next. What's your name? Nacha. Hello, Nacha. Okay. How about you? What's your name? What's your name? My name is... Again, please repeat after teacher. My name is... Puta, my name is... What's your name? Sasiwat. Okay. Hello, Sasiwat. Okay, next. What's your name? My name is... Lalisa. Hello, Lalisa. Okay, that's it. What's your name? What's your name? My name is... Farah. Hello, Farah. Okay, what's your name? What's your name? My name is... Kanda. Okay. Hello, Kanda. Okay, how about you? What's your name? My name is... Anne. Hello, Anne. Okay, how about you? What's your name? Pim. Hello, Pim. How about you? What's your... My name is Nada. Hello, Nada. How about you? What's your name? My name is Juan. Put up, my name is Juan. Okay, very good. How about you? What's your name? Pao. Hi, hello, Pao. Okay, what's your name? Ping. Okay, hello, Ping. Next, what's your name? Jishu. Okay, hello, Jishu. How about you? What's your name? How about you? What's your name? My name is Kimi. Hello, Kimi. What's your name? Adit. Okay, hello, Adit. Next, what's your name? BC. Hello, BC. Okay. How about you? What's your name? An. Hello, An. How about you? Lalin. Okay, hello, Lalin. How about you? What's your name? Ewa. Okay, hello, Ewa. It's my Ewa. Okay, how about you? What's your name? My name is Nacha. Hello, Nacha. How about you? What's your name? Very good. Okay, everybody sit down. No, sit down. No, sit down. Wait, Okay, listen. Let's read the... Okay, let's sing a song. Listen, everybody. We will sing a song. Please repeat.
My name's Lola.
My name's Lola.
Hello, Lola.
Hello, Lola. Okay, again, one more.
D.
Please repeat.
Sing along.
Sing along. Okay, repeat. Put down.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls. Stand down, louder. Hello, teacher.
My name's Bill.
My name's Bill.
Hello, Bill.
Hello,
Hello, boys and girls.
hello, boys and girls.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
My
This
name's
is
Tim.
my name's Tim.
Hello, Tim.
Hello, Tim. Put down.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
My name's Lola.
My name's Lola.
Hello, Lola.
Hello, Lola. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's read this one. Okay, where is Lalisa? Lalisa, can you please get Lalisa? Ichaya, please get your book. Nichapat, where's Nichapat? Keep quiet, 1, 2. Who's talking? Team. Sit straight, please, Nalini. Sit straight, Nalini. Nalini, sit straight. Atid. No, sit straight. Nalini. Pranapa, please get your book, Pranapa. Sutata, where's Sutata? Mari. Ayawari, where's Ayawari? Tirada, where's Tirada? Ayawari, get your book. Sira, Cherlyn, Ansan. Where's Cherlyn, Ansan? Palida. Palida, please get your book. Priyada. Priyada. Priyada, get your book, please. Sira. Lalinda. Beautiful Lalinda. Hitipat. Pipa Porn. Mano Porn. Arinpan. Kanyanat, where's Kanyanat? Nanaling. Manatsunan. And this one. Is this yours? Is this yours? Is that your name? Yes, Sassy what?
Satyawat.
Punari. The time. Punari. Punari. Next is Kartawit. Keep quiet please. Natchanan. Natchanan. Is this yours?
Dạ đó. Tai.
Is this yours?
Dạ tai đó.
Okay, look at the TV. Next. Listen, point, and say. Everybody give me one clap. One clap. One clap. Two claps. Keep quiet. Look at the TV. Okay, first, number one. Number one is Mr. Again, everybody say Mr. Mr. Okay, if the subject is boy, what is boy? Tawag ng boy? Chai. Okay, if the subject is boy, we call it Mr. Do you understand? Again, say it again. Wait na. Say it again. Mr. Say it again, Mr. Nanalina natin, this is right. Please repeat after teacher. Ati, stop doing that. Okay, listen. Say it again, Mr. Again, everybody, please repeat after teacher, Mr. Okay, number two, Miss. Miss. Number two, Miss. Number three, goodbye. Again, goodbye. Okay, so number one, what word is this? Mr. Number two, Miss. Again, Mr. if we uchai boy. Again, say it again, Mr. Miss. Miss if the subject is girl. Do you understand? Okay, again, number one, Mr. Listen, point. What are you talking? Kuya Lan? Stop talking, please. Rana pa. Please listen. Stop talking. Okay, say it again. Mr. Again, Mr. Mr. Miss. Miss. Okay, so number one. What is number one? Mr. Number two, Miss. Okay, number three, goodbye. Again, goodbye. Okay, number one, Mr. Number two, Miss. And number three, goodbye. Okay, very good. So if the subject is boy, we call it Mr. If the subject is girl, we call it Miss. Do you understand? For example, Mr. Sira. Mr. because Sira is a boy. Do you understand? Mr. Harin. Mr. Moon. Okay. If the subject is girl, we use Miss. Like for example, Miss Kanyana, Miss Lalane, Miss Lalisa. That's it. Do you understand? What's that one? Do you understand? Yes, very good. Miss Farah. Page number 5 and follow Miss and Mr. and then goodbye.
เด็กๆกบเหลาดินสอเก็บกล่องดินสอเก็บกล่องดินสอกับกบเหลาเก็บลงไปค่ะมันเกะกะโต๊ะจับดินสอได้แล้วครับดินสอ
Okay, follow Mr. and Miss. Follow Mr. Write the word Mr. and Miss. This one.
เลยเด็ก
Yes, sir. This one.
ๆก่อนเดินทางทุกครั้งเขียนวันที่วางข้างบนสุดเลยมีพื้นที่ว่างๆวางไว้ตรงเส้นสีฟ้าใช่มันมีเส้นอยู่ข้างบนเห็นไหมเห็นมันมีเส้นปาดเห็นไหมคะข้างบนมีเส้นปาดเขียนนั้นวันที่วางไว้ข้างบน
Okay. My
ใช่เห็นไหม
name. My name's Miss Hattie. Okay, so follow the line. Follow the line. Follow the line, Miss Kathy, Miss. Okay, write the date first. The date is 21st of May 2025. 2025. Write the date 21 of May 2025. My name Miss A. Okay, right? Follow the line. Follow the line, Miss K. Miss. Follow the line of the word Miss or M. S. Next. Goodbye, Mr. J. Goodbye, Mr. J. Next. Goodbye, deal. Okay, so write the word Miss, good, Mr. and goodbye. Follow the line. Okay, very good. Follow the line. Miss, goodbye, Mr. and goodbye. Follow the line. You understand? Right here. Miss, follow the line. Miss, Mr. and then goodbye. Ian, okay? Yes, follow that. Okay, very good. Okay, follow the line. This one. Miss, Mr. and then goodbye. Very good. Miss, Mr. and goodbye. Okay, very good. Next. Miss, Mr. and goodbye. Yes, very good. Okay, check. Miss, Mr. and goodbye. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, good. Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Finish? Are you done? Yes or no? Are you done? Finish? Sit up. Raise your hand. Okay, finish. Next, let's go to page number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. Follow. Yes, very good. Now, page number 6. Go. Page number 6. Page number 6, trace the letters. Okay, trace the letters. Like for example, letter A. Trace letter A, next letter B, trace letter B and letter C. Big letter A and small letter A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next letter A, small letter A, small letter B, and small letter C. Okay, trace the letters. Trace the letters. This one. Trace the letters. Hanina, trace the letters. Trace the letters. Trace the letters. Letter A and letter B, letter C. Very good. Letter A, letter B, letter C. Very good. Yes, letter B, letter C, okay? Small letter A, big letter A, small letter, big letter B, small letter B. Big letter B, small letter B. Big letter C, small letter C. Very good. Stop talking. Answer your book. Finish? Okay, very good. Just wait for your classmate. Finish, very good, BC. Yes, this one too. Small letter A, small letter B. Yes, very good. to exercise B. Exercise B, number 1 picture is a car. A car starts with letter C. Very good. Car starts with letter C. Number 2, what animal is this? What is this? Alligator, Jamai. So alligator starts with letter A. So wampum or circle letter A. Circle letter A. Next, number 3. Lalisa, that's what? Please listen. 1, front and back. Please listen. Number 2, circle letter A. And number 3, that is a ball. Ball starts with letter B. Okay, circle letter B. Yes, very good. Yes, okay. Write the date at the top. Write the date at the top of your book. Oh, right here. Okay, exercise letter C. Exercise letter C. Exercise, trace the letter, number 1. Number 1, trace the letter. This one. Yes. Trace the letter. Letter C, trace the letter. Number 1, A. Number 2, B. And number 3, C. Okay, trace the letter and make a line. Use your ruler. Very good. Answer this letter C. Letter A, alligator. Tonight, this is small letter A. B, ball. This is small letter B. C, car. And this is small letter C. Answer this. Answer this. Answer this one. Answer this. Next. A. Alligator. Small letter A. Okay. Next. B. Ball. Small letter B. And then. Oh, very good. Finish? Let me check. Wow, very good. And this one too. Trace the letter. Trace the letter. Trace the letter A. Trace the letter. 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 letters. Trace the letters. Okay, very good. Trace the letter, everyone. Trace the letter. Trace the letter. Trace the letter. A, B, C, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good. Trace the letter. That's it. Yes, okay, very good. Finish, very good. Just wait na. Your classmate, yeah, myself, not yet. Just wait. Very good. Okay, everybody, pass your book. Okay, everybody, please listen. Give me one clap. One clap. Put your hands together and say thank you, teacher. 1, 2, 3.